may I know this question? What's your qualification, Tarak? May I know if you don't mind?
Yeah, why not, man?
Yeah,
I have completed my HS, man. High secondary.
I see. I see.
HS,
That's
10
good.
plus 2.
10 plus 2. Do you have any plan? Do you have any plan to study further? I can see. Well, have we known each other? Have we known each other, Mr. Tarak?
Yeah, obviously, man, obviously. I know you personally.
How?
And
How? I,
we talked before 2 times, I think so.
really?
Exactly.
When exactly? When? Through voice call,
When
WhatsApp, email?
exactly?
Where?
I think in Skyscape we met.
I see. I see. I see.
Yeah.
Well, your name
And you,
is.
when you was going to make application, you shared with me. You share with me this thing that I'm gonna be do this thing. I'm gonna be going to make a thing. It's really a surprise for you. That time I was talking with you.
I see. It's mean that 1 year ago, 1.5 year
Yeah,
ago,
maybe.
I think,
Yeah,
approximately. It,
yeah, exactly.
your name. It's like I can understand that I have heard your name earlier, but I haven't seen you earlier before. I have not seen you
Maybe,
earlier before. Maybe, might be, it
maybe.
could be,
Yeah,
maybe. I'm
yeah,
sorry for that. I'm sorry for my
yeah,
words.
yeah,
I'm extremely sorry for that, Mr. Tarak. How
yeah,
are you,
yeah,
sir? How
yeah.
are you?
So,
How are you?
um, I'm very good. I'm fit and fine. I'm doing well.
Oh my
I'm
God, that's
productive.
great.
Yeah,
Great, great. Nice to hear you. Such a fantastic
and
word from your mouth. Where are you from, sir?
exa-
Well,
I'm from basically West Bengal. I'm
I
from West
see.
Bengal.
I see. That's great.
Yeah.
That's great.
And what's about you? How are you?
I am doing great, as usual.
And if you don't mind,
Uh,
I have seen a video of your YouTube channel in your YouTube channel. So you are giving teaching right now, right? Nowadays.
yes, absolutely, absolutely. Nowadays,
So
I am teaching.
so would you mind if I want to be teacher? If I want to be a student of you, I mean, I
It
want to.
it would be an honor for me. It would be a privilege for me. It would be a pleasure to me,
Okay.
Mr. Tarak. You
So
know, it,
okay. So how can I attend your classes?
I'll let you know. I'll let you know. I'll let you know, sir. After this meeting,
Okay.
I'll let you know. First of all, tell me about yourself. What what have you been doing? What are you doing? What's your occupation now? Tell me what you do.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So as a professionally, I'm a goldsmith. Okay.
Goldsmith.
Do you know?
Oh.
Yeah, exactly. So
Goldsmith.
I'm doing
Goldsmith.
polish.
I see. Yes, yes, yes.
I'm doing polish on jewelry. So it's
Yeah.
any kind of jewelry.
Yes,
It's
yes, yes.
doesn't matter. It's gold and silver.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. I see. I
So
see.
I working in my cousin's shop.
I see.
So I have been I've been working for 3 years,
I
maybe
see.
3.5 years.
I
Yeah.
see.
Apart from this, I played flute. I play guitar, and
I
I have
see.
a YouTube channel also. Actually,
Really?
I'm yeah, man. So
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm listening. Go
so
ahead.
I mean, I'm really passionate about this language, means
I see.
English.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's all about me, man.
I see. I see.
Yeah,
I see. So, why, why you are passionate about English?
passionate means I love this language. That's why,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
yeah, I love this language.
Is
So
there any other reason? Is there any other reason? I understand that this is your. Is there any other reason behind that you wanted to learn English? You are passionate about English. Is there
yeah,
any
man,
other reason?
I
You
want
wanted
to
to
be
be
a
a.
businessman,
You wanted to be a
businessman,
businessman.
and
What a
yeah,
guy.
and YouTuber
What a,
also, YouTube also.
absolutely. You are
Yeah.
a YouTuber. Come on. You have a YouTube channel. It's mean that you are a YouTuber.
Yeah. You can say, you
being
can
in
say.
being look being in a YouTuber, it's not a big deal. But
Yeah.
if you are providing good content to your subscriber, if you are helping them, your contents bring some changes into the person's life. This means a YouTuber. This means that you are bringing some changes in your subscribers' life. People need
Yeah.
quality content. Why people will give you time? Why people will watch your video? It must be something unique.
Exactly.
It must be something
Exactly.
different. It must be some
Hmm.
useful content in your
Exactly.
YouTube channel. You know, then you will
Yeah.
be
Yeah.
automatically a YouTuber.
Yeah. I try to provide as much as good content. Okay.
That's great.
So like
Yeah.
I try to provide knowledge to my
Hmm.
viewers. So
Hmm.
it's my priority because they are giving their precious time. So that
Yes,
is the thing.
absolutely.
And
Yes.
yeah, so I try to I
Mm-hmm.
mean, I try to provide like very good content. So
Mm-hmm.
it's according to me, I don't know. Viewers
Hmm.
are what they think about my content. I don't know.
Hmm.
So
I see.
I try to make, yeah.
I see. I see. I see. And since when have you been learning English?
It's more than one and a half years ago.
Hmm.
I
And
have been
how?
learning this thing.
How you are learning? You are learning alone. How you are learning? What's your strategy? What's your tactic? I want to know. People wants to
Yeah,
know.
yeah, man. Whenever I get time in my workshop, so
Hmm.
I read some article in Google.
I see.
I all the time you can hear, you can watch, you can see my earbuds.
Mm-hmm.
So
I
all the
can
time
see.
I watch my earbuds and I played some kind of audiobooks. I listen a
Mm-hmm.
lot. Okay, I listen
It's
a
been
lot
in English or in Hindi or in Bangla.
in in English, man.
I sorry for that.
Okay,
I'm
and I
asking
have
silly questions. Sorry for that.
it's okay. And I have I am part of 4 to 5 WhatsApp group. There are so many members, and they are
Mm-hmm.
also English
Mm-hmm.
speaker. So
Mm-hmm.
whenever I get time after my apart from my work, so
Mm-hmm.
I talk with them. I usually
I
talk
see.
with them. That
I
is
see.
my learning process. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and I have
Absolutely.
some kind of books. Whenever I
Mm-hmm.
feel I try to read something else.
Mm.
So that is my process. That is my
That's
tactic.
that's great. That's me. That's a fantastic. That's great. What's your plan in 2022, Mr. Tarak? What's your plan? You would like to
At
open
first, I
your
want to
all?
achieve.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I
Sorry
will
for that.
share. I
Yeah.
will share with you
Yeah.
because I really love to share with. I love to share my goal with my any friends. Like, and you are my
Yes.
friends.
Yes.
I believe that.
Yes. Me too. I'm also
Okay,
your friend.
you're
Consider
my
me as a
friend.
brother, as a
So
friend.
yeah,
Yeah.
I want to achieve my I want to achieve 1,000 of subscriber in my channel. That is my
I see.
first goal. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
if it be possible, then I will do more hard work. So I want to
Mm-hmm.
achieve 10K of subscriber on my
Mm-hmm.
YouTube channel. That is my
Yeah.
goal actually.
Mm.
And the second goal is I want to become more perfect and
Mm-hmm.
more fluent in English
Yeah.
between this year. Okay.
I see. Yeah.
So and my second goal is like third goal is I want to develop my physics. Okay, because
Yeah.
I want to develop my physics, so that's why I need to I need to what I can say I need
Mm-hmm.
to increase my body weight.
Yes.
So
Yes. I can see.
that
I
is
can
why,
see.
and obviously I
Mm-hmm.
I want to develop my financial condition. So
I see.
that is my
Mm-hmm.
long
Yes.
term
Yes.
goal. But it
Mm-hmm.
also, some part there is some part I want to improve
Mm-hmm.
in this year.
I s-
That is
absolutely.
my goal. Yeah, man.
Absolutely. How many members in your family, Tarak? Your mother, your brother, your father?
I have 2 member, including me, 3 member. We are 3 member.
Yeah.
I'm living with
Yeah.
my parents,
I
and I
see.
have an elder sister,
Mm-hmm.
He was he got married 15 years ago.
He got married 50 years ago. Where she live? Where
15,
she
15
lives?
years. He also live in our district. Okay,
I see. Yeah,
in our
that's good.
district.
Yeah, how is she? How is she? She's okay?
Yeah, she's also very good.
That yes, that's
Yeah,
great. That's a great. That's a great. What's your father do, Tarak? What's your father do?
my father is a vegetable shopkeeper.
Vegetable shopkeeper. Where in where in Kolkata? Where in West Bengal are you living?
I'm living Bardhaman district. So
Wo-
it's
Vardhaman.
Bardhaman district. So there is
I
a
see.
Anchal like there is also like our native town is Katwa. It's called Katwa. Okay.
I
So
see.
my
I see.
father doing work in Katwa also. Me
I
also.
see. Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
me
yes.
too also.
I see. What's your, may I know this question? What's your qualification, Tarak? May I know if you don't mind?
Yeah, why not, man?
Yeah,
I have completed my HS, man. High secondary.
I see. Yes,
HS,
that's
10
good.
plus 2.
10 plus 2. Do you have any plan? Do you have any plan to study further? Do you have any plan to study further in upcoming year? Is there any plan in
Yeah,
your long-term goal,
I
short
have to.
goal?
I
Yeah,
have to study, man.
you
Otherwise,
have to
without
study.
study, I can't be. Yeah, I will
What do
never
you?
be a success man. So that's why I
Yes.
want to develop my knowledge. So
Mm-hmm.
knowledge is equal to money, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Knowledge.
Really? Do you think so? Do you think so? Knowledge is equal to money? Do you think so?
Exactly. I believe
So
that.
that's
If you
great.
have enough knowledge, that's
Mm-hmm.
why if you have enough knowledge, so that only you will be able to earn something because a knowledgeable person is like I believe that, man. So
I see.
I want to develop my knowledge.
I
So
see.
that's
I
why
see. Mhm.
I want to learn so many things and
I
I
see.
want to read so many things
I
in
see.
my future.
Yes, yes. Oh, Tarak, what do you think about my English? I'm speaking good English, or should I?
Oh God, come on. Are you kidding me?
Yes, I am kidding with you. Come on, tell me.
No, man.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because you got so many appreciation, like appreciation for many good speaker. So
Mhm.
how can you ask me, man?
Okay, yeah. Why I'm asking you, because I consider you as my true, genuine, and trustworthy friend. That's why I'm asking you. Come on.
Yeah, uh, I will give you 100 out of 100.
Oh my God, that's that's too much. Really?
Yeah,
That's great.
yeah, it's true.
Thank you.
It's true,
Thank you.
man.
I worked very hard for that, Tarak. I
Yeah,
worked very
I
hard.
know. I know, man. At
Hmm.
the beginning, when you started your YouTube journey, from that
Hmm.
time to till now, I know you
Yeah.
very well.
Yes. Yes.
I know
Yes.
your journey. So
Still,
that's why I know.
still, I'm struggling. Still, I am struggling. Still, because learning in English, it's not a 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, or 6 year procedure. Learning in English,
Yeah,
it's lifelong procedure, Tarak. You
yeah,
can't
yeah.
say you can't say that after 3 years I will get the degree from that. I would be a fantastic speaker after 3 years. No, English is a lifelong journey. You know,
Hmm,
every
hmm.
day you will see something new in English related to English. Every day you'll face some difficulties, some problem related to English, because we people are not a native speaker. We are
Right.
non-native speaker, and we have been trying hard
Hmm,
to get to acquire a fantastic knowledge of English grammar, but somehow it took long time. Took long time, you know. So my suggestion is to you: keep learning, keep exploring, because learning never ends, and especially English is never-ending process.
right.
No matter, no matter you have 10-year experience, 20-year experience, no matter, you know.
Right. I believe that also English is an ocean. Right.
Yes, absolutely, 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 absolutely.
Yeah.
It's It's a profound knowledge. It's a deep and profound knowledge. It's very profound.
Exactly.
Mm. Then, Mr. Tarak Biswas, I think it's time to move on. Allow me to go. We'll see you next
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
We'll catch
obviously.
you next.
Obviously.
We'll catch you next time. This video is
Okay.
recorded, Mr. Biswas. This video is recorded.
Okay.
Do you allow me to post on my YouTube channel? So it would be great for you.
Yeah, man. Why not? It's my pleasure if I
Thank
upload
you
it
then.
in
Thank
your
you then.
channel.
Thank you. Take care.